What's up everybody? Welcome back to the House of Games. Hari ini kita ada games yang seru banget. I'm gonna call this Team Attack. We have 4 different players in 2 different teams. There's going to be 3 different challenges. Buat challenge pertama, this challenge is called the Drunken Master. Each team will take a relay turn from each member, one by one. The first team will run here. We'll have to spin around, pointing on this post 5 times. Setelah each member has putaran di post yang ada di pasir ini, mereka harus langsung lari ke sini, one by one. Each of them have to finish each and every yummy cocktail drink that we've created right here. Oke, dari tim yang udah habisin minuman dan challenge yang pertama, langsung lari ke sini dan launching bersama Jetski dan Banana Boat. Tapi yang bawa Jetski, the other team, one of the other team members pull this jet ski to try and jatuhin tim yang ada di Banana Boat. Dan kita hitung waktunya siapa yang paling cepat untuk jatuhin timnya sama jet ski dan Banana Boat ini. Setelah itu kita langsung balik ke pinggir pantai, naikin paddleboard ini. Dari paddleboard ini, each team will take their turns one by one. We'll paddle out lewat putaran ayunan itu, kembali toss dulu untuk changing the next team member. Each and every one will have their go. The first one back here will win, and that's when we'll find out hukuman apa yang tim yang kalah harus lakukan. So that are the games for today. It's a fun day in Sanur. I can't wait to get into it. So let's go have fun.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Drinking. Okay. Mata uli kau dong.
Ayo.
Good job.
Go.
Here you go. Quick.
Laughed at the mall 'cause your mama forgot. I know it hurts. I did run out of time, faced with no advice to get
crazy.
I was
sakit
rolling
banget.
in the water,
Terlalu
man.
kencang.
Yeah.
Too fast.
Yeah, too fast.
Oh my god.
Fast. It's dangerous. Fast, man.
Oh my god.
I was rolling in the water.
Oh my god.
Yay! So fast to turn them down. Are you okay?
No, I'm okay. It's just like
flying on top of the
literally
water.
like I was like, this is way too intense. Aku mikir kayak, oh my god, ini dia. We were like, walking, we can't tell them anything. You guys are like going so fast. I'm like, oh my god, we're screwed. Terus udah kesini, udah belok, udah langsung. Yeah, we just died. You guys actually flew, ya? Kamu berasa banget kan?
I feel you.
I know.
I feel
When
them.
it goes fast, you
They
get
did
scared.
just revenge.
Gue juga kayak, oh my god, oh my god. Gila. Guys, okay, we gotta do this. Kita harus menang, because gue nggak mau makan hukuman itu ya. No, right? So please, Jetski,
Let's go.
jangan jatuh. Get into it.
We can do it.
You got this. You got this. Okay. Yo.
Kita harus menang kali ini paddleboard. Tadi udah kalah di minum, tapi banana boat kita yakin kita menang. So this is the final decision, guys. Woo! Go Richard, go! Cepet!
Run! Go, go, go! Yes! Go! Come on! Go, go! Okay, santai! Pelan-pelan aja! Relax!
Relax.
Santai aja! Aman, take your time!
Ayo, ayo.
Tim, semangat! Ya, gitu dulu! Balance dulu, balance!
Let's
Yes,
go.
always there, look! Dia lagi putaran! Alright, baby, alright, we got this!
Wow, that was so close, man.
Pelan, pelan, pelan!
No, no,
No, no, no, relax, relax!
She's too close.
Stop,
to the
stop,
front.
stop, stop! No, no, I mean go, no, I'm talking to my friends! Just go!
Yes! Yes! No, Tim! You win! Go, Tim! Go, Tim! Pedal sebelah kanan! Kanan terus!
Ke pandai dulu! Ke pandai dulu, terus ke situ! Ke pandai dulu! Quick, quick, lari! Get off! Ya, situ, oke. Lari, lari ke sana! Lari ke sana! Ya, keep going, keep going, keep going! Keep going, keep going! Keep going! Keep going! No, please keep going! Okay, go, go, go! Yes! Yes, go!
Focus, focus. Focus, be relaxed. Right, left, right, right.
Dayungnya lebih dalam, Kim. Biar lebih ada power. Dayungnya masukin air lagi biar ada power, ya.
Ayo, ayo.
Ini gila banget. Tuh
We
cewek
have
ini.
chance because Ria fall down. Woo!
Pakai dayung yang terbalik.
Terbalik ya.
It's okay, relax. No, no.
Don't fight.
Ya, maju, maju, keep going. Keep going.
Pelan-pelan.
That's right, go, you got it, you got it.
Relax, relax.
Yeah, good, 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 keep going. It's fine, it's fine.
Muterin.
Relax, relax. You have
Pelan-pelan.
kamu ada banyak waktu, gak apa-apa.
Iya, muter dulu, Kim, muter.
Yeah, keep going, girl, you got it.
Muter balik, Kim, muter balik.
Come on, go on, go on. Relax.
Muter balik.
Okay, so Nina, setelah dia putar, we've got
Okay,
this.
yeah.
After she turns, we're good. So
Let me
we'll
see,
bring her
let
back
me
here.
see.
Kejauhan,
She's not
Kim.
crashing.
Kamu
Got this.
udah dekat putaran balik.
Fingers
We're almost
crossed.
there. We're winning.
Kim.
We're winning. Dia kemana aja?
Dia lost.
Dia
Dia lost.
kemana aja?
GPS is broken.
Yeah. Look, stop.
Don't
It's okay, take your time,
It's
take
okay,
your time.
relax, relax,
Relax,
relax.
relax, relax.
Ria masih.
Right,
Dia
right.
jauh banget dari lo.
The wind is gonna take you.
Fokus
Relax.
saja, fokus saja, nggak apa-apa.
Ya, Kim, sabar. Semangat. You can do it, Kim.
Be careful.
Come
Pedal,
on.
pedal.
Pelan-pelan.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Come on, yeah, right,
can do it.
right. Okay, relax, relax.
Come on, Kimi can do
Dia
it!
masih bisa menang loh.
She already so close to the turn!
Relax, relax.
Oh, yeah. Ayo, Kim!
Kita lari.
Good work.
Menang nomor 1. This is
Number
it.
one.
This is what we're about. Tim keren, tim gokil, tim jago.
Come on.
We got it, we did it.
We did it.
Haha, look at you guys.
Hey, what happened?
GPS-nya lagi konslet, jadi maklum ya. Gak ada sinyal di laut, jadi maaf, nakoda kita salah arah.
Losers. Losers. Semangat terus.
Udah, makan ketawa-ketawa. Lihat kalian berdua nih. Lihat mereka berdua nih sangat.
Okay guys, so that was team attack, and now kita kasih hukuman buat yang kalah. Stay tuned because they're gonna enjoy their punishment. Okay guys, this is the winning team, the cool team, the keren team. We did it. And of course pasti ada hukuman buat yang kalah, and this is their hukuman. Mereka harus jongkok jalan jongkok, maksudnya jalan jongkok dari situ naik ke atas biar panasin kakinya, ya pahanya, terus harus ke sini, terus mereka harus makan dan habisin makanan yang paling enak. But I don't think so because of course it can't be that enjoyable. So let's see what they're gonna do, see if they can finish this punishment. All right guys, are you ready?
Enjoy guys!
Enjoy! 3, 2, 1, go! Yang bener dong! How is he so fast? He smells like a frog. Oh whoa! Look at! Oh wow! Damn! Look at him go! Look at ini nggak bisa. Yang bener! Come on guys! Wow, impressive! Dia langsung ambil satu sendokan sama rotinya. Crazy. Nice, go guys, let's go.
Nice, come on.
What does it taste like? Good? Tell us, how do you feel?
Like a shit.
How do you feel?
Delicatessen.
Yeah, delicious.
Enjoy.
Oh, enak ya? Oh, Anin, gimana? Keep going, you're doing a good job. Oh yeah, that's what you get for losing. No, eat that. Rasanya gimana? Yang bener.
You only eat bread.
Take the whole thing. Yang banyak ya tuh, yang banyak. What does it taste like?
So good, you should try.
Oh, so good, so good. No, yuck.
What is it, guys?
He's impressive. Look, a team member.
Enjoy, yeah.
Look at him.
Philip till the end.
Like it.
Good job. Man, this is like the best team player. Look at him. Oh. Is it salty?
Spicy.
Spicy. Pedas. Pedas.
Lagi mah mau dipotong.
Good job. Good job. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, good job him. He's done. I respect. He's done. Good job. Lu gimana? My God, ini udah belum setengah loh ini.
Ini masih banyak.
Come on, keep going.
Salah lo muter-muter, jadi lo mesti habisin.
Iya benar. That's right. This could have been us, but it isn't.
Spicy?
Keep it up.
Like it so much.
Okay guys, I think you did a good job. Lihat ada yang nangis nih, ada yang nangis, ada yang suka banget. Kayaknya makanan ini emang bener betah ya.
Iya, emang mantap.
Emang lidahnya dia sih. So obviously he really liked it. I don't know about Ainin. Kayaknya si paling gagal. Dia kurang ini curang loh. Dan finish. Okay. Ya, yang penting you played the game. Thanks a lot guys. House of Games, that was fun. Buat semua, wait for the next games because of course there's gonna be more fun games ahead. Cheers guys, thank you. Awesome. Woo! Good job. So that was Time Attack, House of Games, and as always, because winning matters! Good job guys. Woo!